Now students, today we will study about circulatory system. Now what is circulatory system? In humans, a fluid always circulates within the narrow tubes or channels throughout the body. This fluid is called blood and the tubes or channels are called blood vessels. Circulation of blood is a major means of transport in the human body. This circulation of blood involves three organs: heart, blood vessels, and blood. And the circulation of blood in the body is called circulatory system. Circulation of blood in the body is called the circulatory system. हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ब्लड सर्कुलेट करता है और ये सर्कुलेशन थ्री ऑर्गन्स की हेल्प से होता है. एक तो हार्ट, एक ब्लड वेसल्स क्या होते हैं? ये वो ट्यूब्स होती हैं या जिन्हें हम नसें बोलते हैं जिनसे ब्लड फ्लो करता है. और तीसरा होता है ब्लड. तीन चीज़ें मिलके हमारा बनता है सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. Now see here, this is the heart in your body. This heart is present in the rib cage, in chest cavity. Okay. Now heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity. It is slightly tilted towards the left. It is about size of a clenched fist. It is located in the chest cavity and it is tilted towards the left. Left की साइड में ये थोड़ा झुका हुआ रहता है. It is about the size of a clenched fist. Clenched fist मतलब आप ऐसे अगर अपनी fist को करोगे तो इस साइज का होगा. Now structure of the heart. We know that the human heart is four chambered. Now look into this figure. This is the cross section of a human heart. It is of four chambered. See, it is divided into two parts like this. It is divided into two parts like this, and one part is the left and one part is the right part. The left part, this one is the right part. The right part and the left part both are again divided into two parts. This right part is divided into right auricle. This upper part is known as auricle. In this also it is known as auricle. The upper parts are known as auricles and the lower parts are known as ventricles. So this part is divided into right auricle, upper right auricle and lower right ventricle. It is divided into two parts. Here also it is on the left side divided into two parts, left auricle and left ventricle. This is the left auricle and left ventricle. This part is completely separated from each other. These two parts are completely separated from each other, but here in this separation there is a valve between the auricle and ventricle. A valve means just like a lid or ढक्कन, you can say. एक ढक्कन तरह का होता है जिससे कि क्या होता है, ये ब्लड का फ्लो होता है ऑरिकल से वेंट्रिकल की तरफ. वेंट्रिकल से ऑरिकल में ब्लड फ्लो नहीं करता है. It prevents the back flow of the blood from ventricle to auricle. So there is a valve between these two valves. इन दो पार्ट्स के बीच में वॉल्व होता है, यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी. बट इसके बीच में कोई वॉल्व प्रेजेंट नहीं होता. दे आर completely separated. So this is the structure of human heart. Now we will study how the flow of blood takes place.